Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be going over my gym routine on how I got thicker and toned and fit. I'm not even that thicker yet, but I'm just gonna go over like my plan and how I'm working on trying to get thicker. I am very toned though, so I'm just gonna tell you guys like my gym routine on how I grew my glutes, so just keep watching for that part. But I just want to go over quickly the type of foods that I eat. I am vegetarian, so I don't eat a lot of protein, unfortunately, but I'm just gonna tell you like the things that I try to eat to get thicker and like healthier, you know. To start off, I eat this cinnamon and spice Quaker oatmeal. You can eat any type of oatmeal that's relatively less in sugar and healthy. I like to eat like 2 of these per day or like 4 per day. Like I'll eat 2 in the morning, 2 at night. It just helps with protein and getting you your calories in. Oats are good for just your body and thickening you up. Next up is like red beans and rice. So I eat a lot of red beans and rice, and just like rice in general. I have this yellow rice. So I like to eat a lot of rice because, like I said, I don't eat meat, so I need something thickening and just like a lot of carbs to fill me up and get me thick. I eat a lot of bagels because, like I said, I want to eat a lot of carbs. Like golden potatoes, or I eat russet potatoes. I eat them for breakfast. I try not to add a lot of salt to them because I don't like a lot of sodium, but eating potatoes are definitely healthy and they definitely fill you up. Lastly, what else I add is like sausages. I have this vegan sausage. I got some more of these from Trader Joe's. These are so good. Pineapple juice and water. I don't like to drink sugary sodas or anything. Just because, like I said, I want to low on sugar and mostly step up my carbs. So to start off with my workout, I like to stretch. I mostly focus on stretching my legs before I get into my compound movements. For my first movement, I like to do hip thrusts because it takes the most energy, and then I go straight into KSA glute bridges, which are like a hip thrust pulse. Then I do glute focus RDLs. I hate these, they hurt my back. Maybe I need to focus more on engaging my core, so that's a tip. Then for isolation movements, I like to do cable kickbacks on each side. This video is sped up, but I like to do them slow and controlled and engage my core. I do both sides around 22 pounds and I increase it. Then I do glute focus leg press. To do glute focus, you want to put your feet close together at the top, and then I do like pulses. Then moving out of lower body, I like to do ab crunches. You could do any really ab machine. I do these, and then I finish it off with the Stairmaster for about 5 to 10 minutes just to cool down. I barely get through it, but here's the end results. As you can see, I'm trying to grow my glutes. That's why I'm trying to eat more food to gain a little bit more weight and get more defined abs. But thank you guys so much for watching, and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.